Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Rahul Tomar. And if you have also recently came across these type of prepaid task job, then this video is for you because I'm going to tell you each and every detail about this prepaid task scam and how this actually starts and how a lot of people have already lost their hard-earned money. They also used to think nobody can make them fool, but still they lost their money. So how this scam starts, this is going to be covered in this video. So please make sure if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and watch this video till the end. Let me just start with like how this scam starts. Usually prepaid task scam is viral on two platforms. Firstly, WhatsApp and secondly is on Telegram. But mostly in most of the cases, prepaid task scam is viral in Telegram. You get a message from a fake account by the another name like, do you also want to earn some amount just by giving reviews on Google Map? And see, these peoples have earned a lot of money by doing prepaid tasks with a company. And you start doing that. You just reply, yes, I'm interested. And they send you like some links of the Google Map locations and ask you to please give 5-star rating to these locations and send a screenshot on the Telegram only. And when you give the review and take the screenshots of your reviews which you have recently given on the Google Map locations which you were provided, then instantly you get money on your Google Pay, Phone Pay, whatever the payment method you have provided to them. And this is the point where you are trapped in this scam. Now, you must be wondering how am I trapped in this scam and why this is scam. They asked me to do a task, I did it, and I got paid for this. And why this is a scam? Have patience. You will know each and everything about this. Okay? Then they are going to send you more tasks. Like at first time they had sent you 3 Google locations. Then in next time they are going to send you approx 5 to 6 or 10 locations and ask you to give reviews as same as you gave first time on the 3 locations which were provided to you of Google Map. So this time also you gave 5-star reviews and took the screenshots of all the reviews and sent it to the scammer. Then instantly you get money like 30 rupees per review. That means 300 rupees for 10 reviews. Then they just are taking you like they are just bringing confidence in you like we are the legitimate company and this is a real work. And then again they provide you 15 to 20 tasks and again the same process repeats, but the scam starts here. Then they tell you like, now for going further in this you will need to pay this much amount, then we can provide you 50 tasks. Okay, 50 tasks, 30 rupees means 300, 1500, but you have to pay 1000 rupees for this task. Okay, then you pay 1000 rupees for that and you get the location, the link of locations where you have to give reviews, and again you get paid 1500 from the company. Now you're damn sure like, yeah, I have discovered a way by which I can become a rich in a single day just by giving reviews on Google Map. Then they ask like, we can send you the 500 locations or whatever the locations they can, but these are the premium locations or premium package of a company. Now you will have to pay 5000, and by giving reviews to these locations you can earn 15,000 rupees. Somewhere you feel like, yes, this can be a scam. They are asking for me to pay 5000. But as you have already gotten a lot of the payments from these scammers, like 300, 200, 1000 rupees, like this, So approx 2000 rupees. Then you said, yeah, this is a real company, I have already got paid for these. And recently, like previously also, in the third or fourth task, they asked me money. They asked me to pay 1000 rupees, and after giving the reviews and after doing the task, I got paid 1500. So this time you pay 5000 to the scammers, and they block you from everywhere. You earned 2000 rupees from the scammers and gave them 5000 rupees. It means you are in a loss of 3000 rupees. It is just an example of 3000 rupees. People have lost their money in lakhs, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, like this. Because this is the scam, and there is a second type of scam in this also. Because in second way, what they do, they just provide you, they just ask you, like, the second task which you have is a premium task, and you have to pay 20,000 or 10,000 rupees, and you pay for that. And after doing the task, sending the screenshots, you get 20 or 30,000 in place of 10,000. And then they ask, you should pay 1 lakh rupees for the premium package which we have. And if you do this task, after completing the task, you will get the 5 lakh or 10 lakh rupees. And this is where greed comes in your mind. You become thirsty for money and pays 1 lakh rupees to a scammer, and you gets blocked from everywhere. In another way, they just ask you, like, yes, after getting the 1 lakh from you, yes, we are just sending you the 10 lakh rupees which you have earned, but due to the company policy, due to the bank policy, you have to pay the GST of 10 lakh rupees or 15 lakh rupees, whatever the amount they have promised you to give you. Okay, so 18% GST is 2 or 3 lakh, please pay this much amount, then you will get the amount. Then you pay for the GST just to receive that 15 lakh rupees or the 10 lakh rupees which was promised by the scammers, and then you get blocked. Means, let me just summarize this. Let me just don't sorry for the this, I just made it more complicated. Just let me just summarize this in a very simple language. Firstly, they provide you money and take you in confidence. Yes, they are the legitimate company, and you can earn a lot of money just by giving simple reviews on a Google Map. Okay, and after getting more money which they have paid you, they just block you. And in some cases, they ask you to pay for GST, like 1 lakh rupees, 50,000, or 2 lakh rupees for the 10 lakh rupees. Then they can send to the 10 lakh rupees amount, and you pay for this. And again, you get blocked from everywhere, because these type of scammers don't connect with you through messages, through numbers. They just connect with you through Telegram. And a lot of the people have already lost their crores, lakhs of the money. And a lot of the state police have also captured the gangs which are run by these scammers. But still, this scam is being circulated openly, and still a lot of the people are being scammed, are being fooled by these scammers and losing their hard earned money. So this is my humble request, please share this video to everyone, so nobody is going to lose their hard earned money just in the greed of earning some money just by doing some prepaid task. Okay, I hope you understand the topic, you understand the content which I wanted to provide you in this video. So please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, so that's all for this video. See you soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.